Hello, hello, hello. Hello, hello, hello. Exciting news, exciting bucks to share with you guys. Are you ready for this? T'EYES CC3. God knows what does that mean? It's coming from China. It took this box 3 weeks from China to get to me. Where? In United States, Chicago. So, I'm so excited to share my product with you. That's for my personal use. No sponsor. Nobody pay anything other than myself. Oh, that was painful. Almost $600-700, I think. And let's see what's inside the box. Inside this box, supposed to be a head unit, which is T'EYES CC3. Is an Android tablet and 360 surround camera, and also a dash kit for Mercedes-Benz mattress. I hope everything is inside here and everything is intact. Let's see. Okay. Okay. Box. Oh. Here's inside.
Wow.
Okay. Nothing. Oh, nothing. Microphone. Okay, we got the microphone. Randomly, without no box. I think this is the mat for calibration. You lay it around and you can calibrate your camera. I'll show it to you later. Oh. Let's see. Let's see the box. Bye-bye. Oh, this is the, let's start with this guy. This is the screen protector for the screen, because my current head unit, it's been damaged. I'm sorry for loud noises. If you have a headphone on, turn it down. Stop. Okay. Anti-glare and all the good things for 9-inch. Let's open it up. Oh, there it is. There it is. There it is. This guy. So this is supposed to go on the screen. This is basically a screen size and protect our screen. Nice. That's going to go on it later. Wipes go on the side. Oh my god, come on. Okay, next we got our cameras. 360 T'EYES camera. So excited to see what's the quality on these cameras so far. Okay, it's coming. Okay, sweet, nice packaging. T'EYES. Oh, credit to them. Okay, what is this? Seems like a flex tube for front camera. Okay, it says front. with Chinese and English front. That's for front camera. Left camera. Rear, longer wire for rear camera. And right for the right camera, and this is the harness. They all go in here, and then this is go behind the head unit. All the necessary accessories, whole socket for the cameras, bunch of extra wire for your reverse, I guess, and yeah. And here we got, oh my goodness, we got the cameras. Are you ready for this? I am. Okay. Oh. Okay, look at this. This will go on side mirror. 100% sure. Let's see. Oh, didn't say anything. It's just a bunch of number in here. Okay, go on the side. Okay, rear camera. Looks good quality though, but we will see. We will see if they last in Chicago, if they last in this cold, they last anywhere in this earth. Okay, I'll let you know, guys. Today is December 30, Friday, December 30. Tomorrow is a Christmas, New Year Eve. Actually, tomorrow is New Year Eve. Let's see. Woohoo! T'EYES. Okay, before we get to the good stuff, let me pause this video, go drink some water, and come back. Okay, thank you for your patience. And before I get to this guy, I'm gonna check a few more things. Oh, all the harnesses. Yeah, because head unit itself without these harnesses are useless. Okay, CAN bus decoder. Okay, this is the interface controller. Basically control all the volume and everything on your string wheels to the head unit. This is that CAN bus decoder. Translate your car data to the head unit language. Sweet. Okay, this is the head unit harness to, I assume this is Jetta or German cars, and this is exact same harness for different car, or we will find out, but this is both same harness for two different cars. I can tell by this speaker line. They both have a speaker line. In case your car doesn't have an amp, you're running original speakers. These are the colors for the speakers. Okay, nice. Antenna adapter. If you have an auto antenna, you can use this to adjust your antenna. And let's get to here. Dashboard out of the way. Good quality. Okay, not bad. This is for Mercedes Matrix. The head unit will go in here. I'll try to see if I can record the installation. Hopefully I'll be able to help, because outside right now is really cold. I'll try to make that happen. I'm usually really bad with making videos. I try to make videos, but life is, you know, tough. Okay, that guy go over. This guys go back there. Okay, let's see. 5G Wi-Fi antenna. 5G Wi-Fi antenna. GPS antenna. GPS sensor. 4G antenna. 5G and 4G. Okay. These are all your RCA to RCA. Okay, this is all RCA from left, RCA from right, RCA. This is like 5.1 system, like a Dolby system. RCA center, yeah, this is exactly surround system. So basically you get center, left, right, surround, left and right. Cool. And subwoofer, sub out. Basically you can run a home theater with this thing. That's funny. Camera input for reverse. Separate camera input for reverse, I guess. USB input, USB-A. USB-A extension. Oh, wait a minute. This is not an extension. This is a... Oh, cool. One USB, one harness, and two USB out for, I think, Android Auto. It says USB 1, USB 2. And this is what are these? Auxiliary input, auxiliary camera input, mic input, remote, fuse, a screwdriver. Okay, this is all our accessories. Now let's get to T'EYES. Okay, let's talk about why I picked this head unit over any other head unit like Pioneer and Kenwood, Alpine. I was going to get the Kenwood, the big head unit that has a dial and dash cam button on it. The problem that I have with that head unit is, first of all, it's huge, it's ugly, and but it's really high quality. The LCD they use in there is it's very bright, I heard. And the good thing about it, it has a dial. You can turn it easily up and down. With all the other head unit, you don't have that dial. That's why I was going to get the Kenwood 10-inch for my car. But the problem that I had with that head unit, you didn't have a 360-degree camera. I had a rental car and I really liked the camera system, and I was gonna achieve similar result to have a surround camera system. With the Kenwood, I could get left, right, front, back, but it wasn't completely one pictures. With this head unit, I hope I can achieve that. Watch the video on YouTube. There was a guy having a great review on this head unit, which is, I recommend you to go watch his review. He did a great job on reviewing on this head unit and he is on it. I'll put his video under this video. Hopefully you can go and learn something out of him. So let's open this box and see what is inside this box finally. Sorry for making you wait all this time. I'll wait 2 months, man. Okie dokie. Nice. T'EYES CC3. T'EYES CC3. Exciting. Let me get you closer. T'EYES CC3. This is how the box looks. High quality box. Okay, T'EYES. Oh, ladder. Few stuff. Oh, nice of them for a Chinese company. I'm not sure if it's the whole thing is Chinese, but I'm not really sure about their background. Hopefully somebody can help me to get more educated on their background. It seems like they have their own voice assistants, which is could be cool. But here's the head unit finally. Okay, comes like this. This is the packaging, which is, oh, my fan just turned on. Please wait a couple minutes. I'll be back. Okay, furnace stop finally. There you go. Oh, that's cool. The ice. Oh, this looks super cool. Look at back of it. It's carbons. All the harnesses. Digital coax. Optical. I don't know why they use that. Basically, with digital coax, you could have basically a Sonos port in your car and play Sonos. You know what is better than Sonos? You have your GPS antenna, 4G, radio, fan to cool this thing off, quality pass control. Oh my goodness. Holy moly. This is beautiful. Let me see this. Let me see this. Let me see. Yeah, this is a great screen. Just find out down here is a SIM card or memory slide. I heard this one has a SIM card slide. I think this is either SIM card or memory, but most likely it's memory than SIM card. The SD card right here. I'm not sure though. I have to investigate that more. Oh, there's a hidden door back here. What? What is this hidden door? Go back. Go back, hidden door. Come on. Now I'm gonna damage the fillet. Come on. Yep. Okay. There's still, I don't know where that memory. I heard there's a SD card. I'm trying to find that SD card. I have to investigate that more. Okay, cool. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and it was useful for you. If you find this video useful, and yeah, let me know. Yeah, I really try to make other people happy. Let me know if you got happy with seeing this. Oops, bye.